Most common and frequently asked questions related to affiliate websites. Can affiliate websites get approval from Google Adsense? How to get approval for affiliate sites? How many months does it take for an affiliate site to get approved by Google Adsense? These are the questions that keep pestering or keep coming in our minds on daily basis. So in this video, I will share some tips on how to get affiliate site approved by Google AdSense. So keep watching a very important video which no other YouTuber have disclosed ever. So keep earning money online, double your money, a very informative video. Hi there and hello there, welcome to my channel, a multi-channel with entertainment, vlogging videos on beautiful Goa. Explore Goa with me and top quality blogging videos for WordPress and Blogger. First, I will take you to show you the email that I've received from Google AdSense. And here is the email. Congratulations. And now I will take you to Google Search Console. Here you can see the number of clicks and the total number of impressions the site has got so far. Now, you must be wondering, how old is this site? Well, I will come to this question later. Keep watching. Now, this is my site, Amigo Shopping. Let me refresh once more. And here you can see the ads from Google. I will show you a glimpse of the home page here. Now, what are the basic requirements for any site to get approved? Well, here these are the requirements. You guys must be knowing about these important pages. How to create them and from where? I will not go into out of the topic here. Well, I will click on DMCA and will show you what important requirements are needed in there. This is your copyright page created, and I will go a little further down and show you this additional clause or details I have added, and then a small note. And now I will also show you by clicking on the disclaimer page and what more detailed disclaimer is carrying. Affiliate disclosure also added. Remember, this part has been added by me and I have cleared my way by giving due credit to my affiliate company, for example Amazon. Now I will show you the number of posts I have on the site. You can see here I have published 10 articles or 10 posts so far. Now I will show you the number of products I have published so far. So I have 94 products published. Remember another important point here. My site is not about one particular niche. I post all kind of products that I like to post. Now the important question, how old is this site? 10 months old. Yes, 10 months old. I did not submit it for Google AdSense approval within 1 month or 2 months or in 3 months. I worked on it for about 5 months and then just left the site for organic traffic to come. Once I received an email from Google saying that I have received 90 clicks on the site That was about in 9 months. And after this message or this email, I decided to send it for approval. And then the very next day, I got Adsense email with the Adsense approval confirmation. So this is my story. Google AdSense approves affiliate sites provided your site has started to get organic traffic. Once the site is approved, let it be auto ads. You don't try to create your ads. That is good for your safety. Keep in mind of Google AdSense terms and conditions, and hence best option is auto ads. Does not matter if your site has little copy-paste content, provided you don't copy-paste the entire content from the product. Make some changes in your content here and there. You can use all the product images from Amazon. Google has no issues on that. So, do you have any more questions? Comment please. I will be glad to receive them and know your issues. I like to read the comments really. Was this video useful? Did I cover all the main issues for affiliate sites to get Google AdSense approval? Just give your views, and for my efforts, I think I deserve 1 like and 1 subscriber like you who is ever willing to thank me for this video. Right, you take care and wait for my next video. Question: what type of video you need from me? Leave a comment below. See ya and bye-bye.